Assalamu alaikum. This is Azhar here. In this video, I will teach you international system of writing numbers. To understand the number, it is very important to know about place value. Let's see place value of numbers in international system. Count this place value from the right side. The starting one is ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousands, then 10,000s, then 100,000, then million, 10 million, 100 million. Group these place values into ones, thousands, and millions. It will make you easy to read and write the numbers. Note that all the groups should have 3 digits in the international system. Let's have a comparison between Indian system and international system. In Indian system, the starting group ones have 3 digits and all the other groups should have 2 digits. But in the international system, every group will have 3 digits. And the second difference is in Indian system, we have lakhs and crores. In international system, we don't have lakhs and crores. We have millions and billions after the thousands. So note that after the thousands group, you will have 3 digit. After the million, you will have 6 digit. And after the billion, you will have 9 digit. So let's see the first question. Write in numerals 71,600,618. First thing, I will identify the group. There is a million, so it is a group name, and thousand is a group name, and the rest of them is one's group. Before the million, you can see there is 71, so this is one group. Before the thousand, there is 600, so it is thousands group, and the rest of them are one's group. So before the million, there is 71. 71 can be represented as 71. There are 3 boxes, so you can write 071 or you can simply write 71. Because starting 0 is optional, it doesn't affect the value. Then the second group 1000, you can see there is 600 before the 1000. So I should write 600 in the thousands group. So 600 can be written as 600. There is 600 here, so 100,000. So we should fill in 100,000 place. And the last group 618. So 6 in the hundreds place and 18 as it is. Second question, 802,900,000. Once again, I will identify the group first. We have million here. There is no thousand. So I will consider the rest of them as ones. So 900 it should be in the ones group. So there are only 2 groups. One is million group and the ones group. You can see before the million, there is 802. 802 can be written as 802. In the millions group, there is no thousand. So I should fill zeros in the thousands group. I will fill 30 here because it is international system. I can understand that it is international system by this word million. So if there is a word million or billion mentioned in the sentence, then it is international system. If there is a lakhs or crores, then it is a Indian system. Since there is a million here, it is international system. International system should have 3 digits for all the groups. So 1000 group should also have 3 digits. There is no 1000 here, so I am filling 3 zeros. And last group is ones group. In ones group, there is 900. So 900 can be written as 900. So this is 802,900,000. Let's see the third one, 500,220,403. So identify the group. There is million and there is thousand. Here is thousand. So before the million, we have 500. So I will write 500 in the millions group. Before the 1000, we have 220. So 220 can be written as 220, should be in the thousands group. And the last rest of them is the ones group. 403. 403 can be written as 403. So note that and remember it. Every group should have 3 digits in the international system. Now we have seen how to write in figures. Let's see how to write in sentence. Write in sentence 800 200 600. We have a big number. We are dealing with international system now. The rule of placing the comma will be differ from Indian system. So let me explain. So first let me write the number. The rule of placing the comma is very simple in the international system. You should place the comma after every 3 digits. That's all. The rule is simple. After the 3 digit, I will place the comma. Then after the 3 digit, I will place the comma. The starting group is ones. The second group is thousands. And the third group is millions. So I can read this number as 800 million, 200,000 and 600. It is. Let me use the table to understand the number. So these are all the place value on the top, group names in the bottom. So start from the higher place value. It is million group. You can see in million group there is 800. So we can write the sentence as 800 million. Then in the thousands group we have 200. So 200,000. And the last is ones group. So 600. No need to write 600 once. So one should not be mentioned. Let's see the second one. Write in sentence. The rule is very simple. Place the comma to understand the number. So place the comma after every 3 digit counting from the right side. Let me show the table. So when you are using the table, make sure that you are filling the digits from the right side. Otherwise, there will be a error in the place value. So select the higher place value, million. So in the millions group, you can see there is 17. So the sentence can be written as 17 million. There is no thousand, there are only zeros. So no need to write 0,000, just simply skip it. And the last is 840. Let's see the third one. So we have a big number, but it is very easy to read. So just use the comma system. Place the comma after every 3 digit. Now you can see it is grouped. We have 4 groups here. The starting is ones group, the second is thousands group, and the third is millions group, and the fourth is billions group. So this number is 98,350,000. So let me show in the table. So select right from the higher place value. So there is 98 in the billions group, 98 billion, no million here. So in 1,350 and there is no ones. So there is billion and thousand only. So 98,350,000.